Morning people, I'm cutting the sound deadening mat for the van. There it is. There it is. So I've got, basically I've got Dodo dead mat, because it comes in like a big roll, so you can cut it to size. It's probably the cheapest way to do it. This is the stuff here. Comes on a big roll. It's 4.66 metres long, 75 centimetres wide. Cutting some strips out at the moment, and basically on the ceiling we can see the ribs going that way. I did consider putting strips right the way across like this each section, but after careful consideration I thought to myself, you only need to cover, apparently you need to cover a third of the panel. And because of the ridges, it makes it really difficult to try and stick it to the ceiling that way. And where the ridges stick up, that's actually to strengthen it. So that's not the bit that should give any vibrations. So the flat parts, lengthways, that I'm just going to stick the Dodo mat straight onto the lengthways bits all the way down on the roof. And then when I come to the sides, I'll put one piece down there, and so on and so on and so on. Same this side, and obviously the big panels are the easy bits. I just cut out roughly a third all the way along, and along the bottoms as well. So just cutting the strips out now. Let's crack on. I've got some measurements. It's all in code. Roof back to the front. So I've measured from the back to the front and turned it into sections: R1, R2, R3, R4, and so on. So just measuring. So the first ones I want are 14 centimetres, and I need 6. Oh, too many have been cut. Oh, bugger. Oh, bugger it. It's too late now. There's nothing I can do to bring it back to where it was, because they're all cut. Bugger it. Right, so I've got section 1 and 2 cut. Now I'll have to remeasure again the rest of it and see what I can make up out of these strips now. Bugger. Cut all my bits. Finally managed to correct all the mistakes. It's just going to be a bit of a Frankenstein, that's all. But as long as it's like covering the metal, it should be fine. But yeah, still got a lot more to cut. I wanted to get it cut because I'm taking a few days off work next week, and I don't want to waste them. So I don't know if I need to order some more dead mat. And the only way of really knowing is by getting some strips cut for the panels, seeing what I've got left, then order it if I need to. But because I don't want to start cutting it all next week on the days off, get all the panels in, then find out I'm short, then have to order it, and I'll be sitting around for 2 days. So well, not sitting around, I'll be other things to do, but trying to do it as methodical as I can. So let's cut some more. Crack on.
Complete silence.
Sorry, what was that? Couldn't hear you over the din. It's coming on. It's coming on nicely. Yeah. She's full of help. helping me out. Because I'm old,
Slave labour.
I need someone younger to do the reaching up above the head.
This is the outreach programme for the elderly.
That's why I've got to get some windows soon, because I need to lick them. Look at that, eh? A professional couldn't have done a better job. Happy days.